We divide 790 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 9 and it is 29. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 4. So again we put down this 0 and it is 40. So 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 790 divided by 5 is 158. So this much for today and thanks for watching.